Well, good morning. This is Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're back on the big HO layout. This is an Athearn DD40, Pennsylvania colors. I don't know if the Pennsy ever actually had a DD40. Some people have told me that Athearn's DD40 is really a DD35A, but it's a big beast. It's got flywheels and 2 motors and 16-wheel drive. Let's see if we can start it up and if she makes it around the upper level. Again, the curve should be generous enough and she should make it all the way around. Let's see. Well, we're at the control center. We're focused on the DD40. Well, she's finally started up. Now you hear another rumble. There is another locomotive on the track. Who's that? Oh wow, an Erie Lackawanna. That looks like a GE. Now they're on the same track. Eventually there's going to be a double main line up here. I don't know if that DD40 is going. Oh no, she stalled. That's not good. See if this engine can give her a push. Well, we really haven't started the cleaning up process. It's going to take some time. Here comes the helper. This is a big engine, but it's not dwarf, but it is small compared to the DD40. I like to think of myself as a big engine, but then I see the NFL guys and I go, wow, I'm a hobbit. Now let's see. Oh, she gave her the nudge and the DD40 took off. But she's struggling. They're struggling. They're rumbling. Come on. They're rumbling, they're rumbling. Bumbling and rumbling. She wants to go, but she hasn't run in ages. Come on, don't give up. The big engine's coming. Boy, it really needs to lube and clean it. She's probably drawing a lot of current. Wow, there's a lot of draw on there. When she starts going, she's pulling away. All right. That's a sign that the track's getting cleaner. But each engine needs a little bit of love and care. Now there's a really dangerous zone in there. That's that haunted mountain. Weird things always happen in there. If she can make it through, it'll be pretty nice. Gonna have to get some holy water. Now that Halloween's coming, that mountain's gonna come back into power. Yeah, it's good to have a little imagination. Oh no, she's coming round the bend. The big beast. Now that's interesting. Nope, she ain't working. I want to burn it out. Let's see. Yeah. She just can't push that beast. You need a Bowser to push it. Like a T1. Just too big to push. Here we're going to have to do a little more cleaning. Yeah, big DD40 needs a good lube job, cleaning. Tracks need to be a little more clean. Boy, I'm proud of that GE engine. She did a great job. All right, we got them to come all the way around. Now let's just let the... Oh, she's coupled. Oh, she broke free. The G's trying to run away from her now. All right, that's it for today. Talk to you later. Enjoy it. Hope you had some fun. We'll get it better, cleaning it up, cleaning all the engines, and start to run all the amazing things we have here. So, thanks for watching.